In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress plugins, and I'm going to go over 3 plugins that I use on most of my websites. Okay, so now that we've installed WordPress, we've selected a theme, and we installed the theme and configured the theme. Now I'm going to go over how to install a plugin. So I use several plugins to build my websites, to add more features, functionality, to build the websites that will fit my the needs, my clients' needs. And but today right now I'm just gonna go over 3 of the plugins that I use on most all my sites that I create. Okay, one is Elementor. Elementor is a web page builder. And the second one is WP Forms. I use that to build my forms, such as simple contact us forms, all the way to applications, full, with several fields for the users to fill in. And then the third is going to be an SEO plugin. I use both Rank Math, or I use All-in-One SEO. I like both of them, but I'm just going to go over Rank Math. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard. We've logged in and we're at the Welcome to WordPress. Okay, that's the home page of the dashboard. So in order to install a plugin, we're going to go over here on the left-hand side where it says Plugins, and we're going to click on Add New Plugin. Okay, so when you first go to the this particular page screen, is going to show you the featured plugins. Okay, so right now we're going to just type in Elementor. As you can see, I use it already a lot. So Elementor, and here it is, Elementor Website Builder, more than just a page builder. Okay, so I'm going to click Install. Now, the Elementor, the plugins that I'm going to discuss or go over, all 3 of those plugins are free versions of the plugins, but they also have pro paid versions of the plugin as well. So I'm going to activate it. Okay, and then as you can see, it was installed, Elementor. Okay. And then I'm just going to go over briefly how you can use it to build pages. Okay, so I'm going to go to Pages. Going to go to All Pages. I'm sorry, go to Add New Page. We're going to give it a title. We're going to do Home. Then we're going to say Save Draft and Edit with Elementor. Okay, we're just going to exit this out. Okay. So as you can see here, we still have the default header at the top for Astra. We're gonna go over that, how to customize and change this header, where you can add your own logo and create your own menu. So for now, we're just gonna go over how to use Elementor to build a website page. So you click on the plus button, click on this button here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is give this section, this container, a background. So you're going to click on Edit Container. There's little buttons up here. And as you see on the left-hand side, you have Edit Container. Then we're going to click on Style. Okay, Image. We don't have anything in our media library right now. So I'm going to click on Uploads. And there's going to be a image, okay, that I'm going to add as a background. Okay, so now I selected my image. I'm going to go to Select, Okay, so now this is the background image. Now to make this a little longer, okay, this section longer, we're gonna scroll here down, increase the background image size, okay? And if we wanted to add some text here, we just click on, you can barely see it, but if you click on this little plus sign button here, you can add a heading, okay? And I'm gonna say, welcome to our restaurant. That's for example. Okay, we're going to see how it's showing up here. So we're going to change this. Okay, we want it to be in the middle. So, well, actually, let's manipulate, let's style this font first. So we're going to click on the style. Inside the text. Going to go back to style. You see where it says edit heading. So now, because we clicked here, now it goes to the edit heading. Okay. See right now the text color is blue. We're going to click on the color. We're going to choose white. And the hex for white is, you can do FFF. Okay, we can also change the font, the typography. So the font family, we're going to choose, let's see. Play around it. Yeah, let's just do with Roboto Condensed, but as you can see, there's so many more you can choose from. Okay, then we're going to increase the size to 50, or actually we want to do like 80. We want to be pretty big. Okay, then we can also change the boldness here. We can make it a little more bolder. We can make it all uppercase. We can do lowercase, all lowercase. We can do capitalize every first word. Letter. Then we can just go back to normal, however we typed it. But we're going to do uppercase, okay? We can do style, normal, italic, okay? Oblique, I'm not sure. That doesn't really do too much. Decoration, you can underline it. Line through, we don't want to do any of these. So we're just going to go back to default. You can change the line height, letter spacing, and word spacing as well. Okay. Then we're going to save. We're just going to say save this for now. We're not going to publish it. So save draft. Okay, so now to get this in the middle, we're going to click back on the edit container button. And we're going to say we want to justify the content. So we want to center it first. So center brings it down here. And if we want to align it in the center. Okay, that's it. That's all we're going to go over for now. And the good thing about Elementor Page Builder is that when you make a change here, it requires no code, no coding knowledge at all. So you just, what you see is what you get. So you click on, you make the change here, and you can see it immediately. And so if you wanted to see what it looks like in the browser, without it being in the builder, you just click on the little button here, the I button, and you can see the preview changes. Okay, so next we're going to go over WP Forms. So we're going to install the WP Forms plugin. So go back to plugins, we go to add new plugin, and we type in WP Forms. We click on install new. So we're going to click on activate. And we're just going to go to create your first form. I'm just going to create a very simple WP form. Going to name it Contact Us. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to name it Contact Us. Okay. And I can just select a blank form to create it from scratch. I can select a template already. Okay, so simple contact form. They got newsletter sign up form, automobile information form, etc. So I'm just going to use simple template contact form. Okay, and there we go. So right now it gives us the name field, the email field, the comment or message field. So just to give you a quick example of how to add a new field, as you can see, they have name, email, comment. We're just going to add a checkbox field. I'm going to just drag it here, and then we're just going to add the fields. The choices. Okay. And so we're going to name this, we're going to label it title. What is your title, for example? And then we can just save it. Okay. Okay, so the next plug I'm going to go over is Rank Math. So we're going to go to add new plugin. Math. Okay. And it comes right up Rank Math SEO. Again, Rank Math SEO is for to help with your search engine optimization for your website. So help you be more visible, your website to be more visible in search engines such as Google and Bing. So I'm going to click on Activate. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail at all with this plugin because there's so much. But I will get into it more in another video. Okay, so it asks you to create an account. You just go with your username and password that you're logged in as Google. You can use Google, Facebook, or just a username and password. And we're just gonna go through the wizard. So we select Advanced, click Start Wizard. And we're just gonna skip all this. We're just gonna return the dashboard. Okay. Again, I'm not gonna go into a lot of detail. But if you go here, if you go to, as you can see, it's been installed. And you go to Pages, All Pages, and you have your home page. So just click on Home Page, and you have to add your SEO, your meta tag, your meta description for each individual page. Okay, so we clicked on Home, and we're going to click on this right here, Rank Math. Okay, right now we have a 5 out of 100. And this is where you can select your focus keyword. So basically your focus keyword is the main point of this page. Okay, you're going to describe. So for the home page, it would be something like, the name of your, not the name of your business, but what is your website for? Like, what is your business? Is it a restaurant? Is it a store? The type of store? This is where you describe what your store is for. So when users are searching on Google, they type in restaurants near me, Chinese restaurants, Italian restaurants, just soul food restaurants, whatever. You type it here. You can type it here. soul food restaurant. There we go. And again, this, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail right now, but you see how the score here, and it'll change. It'll go up as you add more information, as long as the information as well appears in your content on your page. Okay, and that's it.